In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a bank account from QuickBooks Online. If you need to stop a bank account from syncing with QuickBooks, this is a simple process you can complete in just a few clicks. Disconnecting an account is useful if you no longer use that bank connection, if you connected the wrong account by mistake, or if you want to prevent new transactions from downloading automatically. As you follow along, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account so you can complete each step smoothly. To begin, look over to the left-hand navigation menu inside QuickBooks Online. From there, click on Accounting. Depending on the version or view you're using, this section may also appear as Banking, so don't worry if the label looks a little different on your screen. The important thing is to open the area where your connected bank accounts and downloaded transactions are managed. Once you're in that section, click on the Bank Transactions tab. This is where QuickBooks shows the accounts that are linked to online banking, along with any transactions that have been downloaded for review. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct tab can help you avoid making changes in the wrong area. Next, find the tile or card for the bank account you want to disconnect and click on it. Make sure you select the correct account before moving forward, especially if you have multiple bank or credit card accounts connected in QuickBooks. After opening the correct account card, go to the top right corner of that card and click the pencil icon, which is the Edit option. This will open a small menu with additional settings for that connected account. From that menu, select Disconnect Account. QuickBooks will then display a pop-up message. Before you confirm, take a moment to read the information in that pop-up carefully. This is important because disconnecting the account stops future transaction downloads, and you'll want to understand exactly what will change before you proceed. If everything looks correct, confirm the disconnect action. Once you do that, the bank account will no longer be connected for automatic transaction imports in QuickBooks Online, and that's all it takes. You've successfully disconnected a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.